Hi everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. I'm super excited to have you here. In today's session, we're going to build a simple but really useful Markdown Preview app using React. If you're new to React or just looking to learn a cool project, you're in the right place. So, the first thing we're doing is importing React and the useState hook. React is essential for building React components, and useState will help us manage state in our component. Next, we're importing the react-markdown component from the react-markdown library. This allows us to display the Markdown content in HTML format. So any Markdown we type will be rendered accordingly. But before using react-markdown, we need to install it. To install it, open your terminal and run npm install react-markdown. Now, we define our app component. This is where our logic and JSX will go. Here, we're using the useState hook to create a state variable called Markdown. This will hold the Markdown text that the user types into the text area. We're now returning our JSX. We start with a main element to wrap everything. Inside the main, there's a section with the class Markdown. This is the first interactive element, the text area. We give it a class of input for styling purposes. The value prop is set to the Markdown state, meaning whatever is typed in here will update the state. The onChange event listens for any changes, and whenever the user types, it updates the Markdown state with setMarkdown, e.target.value, which updates the content displayed in the text area. Next, we create an article element to display the rendered Markdown. Inside it, we use the react-markdown component, passing the current Markdown state as its child. And here's the final result. The Markdown input is synced with the rendered preview, and it updates as you type. You can extend this by adding more features like syntax highlighting, saving the content, or even exporting it to a file. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask questions or leave feedback in the comments. And don't forget to check out my other React tutorials on my website, www.projectschool.dev. See you next time.